Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to install a hacked PRL on your phone. This is for Sprint phones. I'm using the Nexus S 4G. And what this does is it takes the PRL, which is the preferred roaming list, and it tells your phone to use Verizon's 3G, which is counted as roaming data on your plan. So, let's get started. First thing you need to do, go to the market. And you will need to be rooted for this, and get an app called Terminal Emulator. I already have it on my phone. So, go ahead and open it up. It's called Android Terminal Emulator. So, in the thing, type, it's going to pop up a keyboard and a blue screen. Type SU. Okay, and hit enter. Oop. There we go. Okay, now you're going to type get, G-E-T, and then prop, P-R-O-P, then add a space, then R-I-L, period, then in capitals, M-S-L. Okay, so get prop, space, R-I-L, dot M-S-L, and M-S-L is in caps, and hit enter. And it'll show your M-S-L right there. Okay, write that down because you're going to need it later. Okay, so we're done with that app. Now, you're going to go into your computer. Your computer, you've got to have drivers installed for your specific device. If you don't already, look up a YouTube tutorial on how to do this. The second thing you're going to need now on your computer is the actual program you're going to change it with. And it's called QPST. Here's what you Google search to get it. You're going to search QPST 2.7 build 323. Okay, just Google search that. And then on the third link down is the official website. Go ahead and click on it. Scroll down a little bit, and right here there's going to be a CAPTCHA you have to enter. So, type it in right there. And then right here is the download link. Don't click the ad down there. Just the download link right there. Okay? Once it downloads, go into your downloaded folder. Okay? There's going to be a zip file looking like this. Right-click it and hit extract all, okay? And then just hit enter. I already have it extracted. So, when it's done, it's going to bring you to a folder that looks like this, okay? It's just going to have that right there. Double click on it, and then there's going to be a setup right here. Double click that, okay? Now, I already have this installed, so it's asking me if I want to let it run. Just hit yes, and then go through the installation process. It'll guide you through it, accept the terms and conditions, the usual. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and back out. Next, you're going to have to download this. It's 00001.PRL. This is the actual PRL we're going to be putting on our phone. And I'll include a download link for this in the description. Okay. So, you've got your MSL, you've got your drivers installed, and you've got the QPST software. So, let's get started. Go down to your phone, turn it on, okay, unlock it, and go to the dialer right here. You're going to hit *#, 8778, and then you're going to hit ###. Then when you add the last pound in, or the last star in, it's going to bring you to this screen. In the bottom menu, when it says USB, you're going to switch it from PDA to modem. Okay. Now, it's going to take out the option to hook it up on the top, but anyway, that's all you need to do on your phone. Just take this and set it down. Okay. Going back to our computer, close out this, go to the start menu, and type in device, and click on device manager right here, and click it, okay? Right here, you're going to go down, till it says ports, tap that, and double click, okay? If you've installed your drivers, it'll show up right here, okay? At the end, this is what you need, is this COM number. It's going to say COM, and it's going to have a number afterwards. Write that down, okay? In my case, it's COM3. So, we're done with that. Just make sure you get the COM number and you're good there. So close Device Manager. Open up your start thing again. Now you're going to search QP, and then it should pop up QPST configuration. Alright, so the program's going to load up. There it goes. Now, in my case, see how it says come through right there? I've already done it, so, you know, we're already hooked up. But to make it recognize it, go down here, okay, where it says new port, and tap it. It asks what port you want it on. So type in caps COM, and then type in the number afterwards. So in my case it was 3. In your case it might be something different. I already have it, but you're just going to hit OK then. Alright, so it should say COM3 enabled, you know, going here. Now, at the top, it's going to have File, Server, Start Clients. Click on Start Clients, and then go down to Service Programming, right there. It's going to ask what device you want, and yours should be highlighted right there, and just hit OK. Give it a second to load up. Alright, here we are. So, pull this up. This is the menu you're going to get. So, you're going to go right here, you're going to have tabs. Go to Roam, okay? And PRL stands for Preferred Roaming List. So that's what we're going to right here. So, right down here where it says Preferred Roaming, hit Browse. And find the file. So if you downloaded it, it should be in Downloads, which would be under your username, and then Downloads. And then here it is, the 00001.prl. Tap it, hit OK. So, it says what it is right there. Now, there's going to be an option right down here, which says Write to Phone. Click it, and then it's going to ask you to enter your phone's master subsidy lock, which is the service programming code. And that is the MSL that we got earlier. So just go ahead and type it in. Okay, once you type it in, then go ahead and hit OK. Your phone will reboot, okay, and it should have the new PRL written on it. It's as easy as that, okay. This will work on any Sprint smartphone. It works on the Evo 4G, it works on the Galaxy S2, Epic 4G Touch, the Nexus S 4G, obviously, one I have. So yeah, and it works on custom ROMs. So if you're on, for example, CyanogenMod on the Evo, then you can do it on whatever custom ROM you want. Gonna wait for this to boot up, and then I'll just show you that it does work, that it's that it wrote it. So yeah, I'll use this time right here. If you have any questions on this, or you can't get it to work, then leave a comment and I'll get back to you. You can see what you're doing wrong. Okay. So just hit Menu and then Settings. Scroll down to About Phone. It's the same on Gingerbread, and then you'll be able to see all this information. Look around, and there's the PRL version right there. 00001. Okay? On Sprint, I get like no bars up to 1 bar sometimes. Here, I've got half service. Oh, I dropped out. But I'm on Verizon right now, and I get very fast data. So, I hope you enjoyed. Again, any questions, let me know, and I'll try to help you out.